Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll learn inspection in the Procurement module. Open Procurement and go to Inspection. The inspections list shows every incoming inspection, its lot, the invoice it came from, the part, and its status. Inspections are raised automatically for items that need quality checks. On the item's master record, you'll see quality control switched on. That's the trigger. So let's follow one through. In Purchase Orders, click Create to raise a new PO. Select the vendor you're purchasing from, then add the item, choosing the part, the quantity you are ordering, the unit price, and applicable taxes. Review the totals, then save the PO. Once the PO is saved, click Add Invoice. This opens the invoice for that PO. Confirm the invoice number, date, and vendor details are correct. Now, against each line item, record the delivered quantity, the actual quantity received in this shipment, which may differ from the ordered quantity if it's a partial delivery. Save the invoice to confirm the goods receipt. Because the item requires quality control, OEMup automatically raises an inspection for that received lot. Open it. The lot, item, and received quantity are already filled in. As the inspector, enter the approved quantity and the storage it moves into, along with any rejected quantity and its storage. Log the inspection result, pass or fail, with a reason for any rejection, then save. The inspection is now marked done and shows in your inspections list a complete quality record from receipt right through to storage. That's the inspection workflow in OEMup. In the next video, we'll return rejected goods with an RGP. Welcome to OEMup. In this